Hey students, it's me, Mr. Fitz. So let's take a look at this problem. In the diagram below, the measure of angle B, that's what this M means. The measure of angle BDC equals 100 degrees. The measure of angle A equals 50 degrees. And the measure of angle DBC equals 30 degrees. Which statement is true? Angle ABD is obtuse. Measure of angle ABD is 80 degrees. Triangle ABC is isosceles, or triangle ABD is scalene. All right, so this is like a triangle definition question. So first of all, let's mark everything we know on the diagram because I think that's going to help us. So I'm just going to go ahead and find all of the angles that I can and see which ones satisfy some of these things. So first off, I know the measure of angle BDC is this one I've marked right here is 100, and this angle A is 50. What else do I know? I know DBC, that's this little top angle up here, is 30 degrees. Okay. Well, since I know this angle and this one, I can figure out this one over here because we have a triangle right here. So I can use the angle sum theorem of a triangle and figure out that these three, if these two are 130, then this has to be 50, right? So 130 plus 50 is 180. So yeah, so this angle C over here, or BCD, is 50 degrees. Okay, can I figure out, well, I can figure out this angle, right? Because I have a linear pair of angles. So if this angle over on this side is 100, so these two angles combine, form a straight line. So this has to be 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. Okay, and then I have this triangle over on the left. So I can figure out that this top angle, right? So if I have 80 and 50, then I know that this top angle, if I call that Y, has to be 50 degrees as well. 50 plus 50 plus 80 is 180 degrees. All right, now let's go through them. Angle ABD is obtuse. So that would have to be greater than 90 degrees. That's this angle here. And I know that's not drawn to scale. That's clearly not obtuse. It's a 50-degree angle. So that's not right. Let's go down. Measure of angle ABD is that, so that one's out. Is that 80 degrees? No, it's 50 degrees. But note, ABC, if I add these two up, that's 80 degrees, but that's not what I was asking. So if it said measure of ABC, is that 80 degrees? Then yes, that would be true, but that's not what I was asking. Triangle ABC is isosceles, that is correct. Look at the entire triangle as a whole, right? If I draw it separately, triangle ABC has two base angles that are 50 degrees. So that means if you have congruent base angles, the sides opposite those angles, remember the amount of opening, amount of turn, causes how big the opposite side is. So if you have two equal angles, they're going to form equal sides. So kind of like that. So isosceles triangle, it is isosceles. So that is true. Then the last one has to be false because the others are true. And if it's an isosceles triangle, it's definitely not scalene. Scalene means that all the sides are different lengths. So that's not true. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.